So today's Friday, March 4th, I think. I haven't vlogged in like 2 years, but I had a baby. He is like a little over 3 months now. Can't believe it. And it's been crazy with a toddler and a newborn, but we've slowly been getting into a routine, and I wanted to start vlogging because I want to just like capture the little moments and have some memories of when he's a baby, because I remember vlogging when Amara was little, and it's just so nice to like go back to and look at those videos and see her when she's little and see how our days were. So these days Amara is actually in preschool. She's a half day preschool, and today's Friday, so she's at school right now. It's like almost 11, I think. And actually today I'm going in as a mystery reader for her class. So I'm gonna go around 11:45. I'm gonna head over and I'm gonna read a little book for her class, and they don't know who's gonna go read, so that's kind of fun. They have to like guess. I give them a couple of clues and I guess, and so they have to guess who it is. I think Derek kind of spoiled it yesterday, I think, but hopefully she didn't really hear the conversation. She's been like listening to everything we're talking now because she's like at that age. She's 4. But yeah, so today is mystery reader day, and I'm just doing stuff around the house because I don't work Friday. I have to I already got ready, did my makeup. It's like a basic little beat. I have like a freaking pimple, and I have another one down here, which is really annoying because I haven't been breaking out as much. But Fridays I don't work anymore. I've been working super part-time in the salon, so I'm gonna vlog more days and kind of show you guys my routine those days. But today I don't work, and so I've been doing stuff around the house. I made our bed, which is like one of the things that I'm trying to keep up with because that really helps the room feel organized and nice and clean. And then I go in the morning and make sure all the diapers are in the diaper genie, and pick up any trash and anything like that. So I did that already, and I put in a load of laundry, the baby stuff, and then I'm gonna do a load of Amara's clothes and hopefully get that all done today. That's like been my goals. One of my goals recently is when I start the laundry to get it done in 1 or 2 days at the most. So that's the goal for today. I also, after I pick Amara up from school, I have to go to the grocery store, need like basics like breakfast food, and I have to go to Ulta for a couple of things for some clients. So that is the bulk of the day. I'm gonna try to remember to vlog. I'm gonna put a reminder because I always forget, but I'm gonna try to get more clips of the kids and stuff because I just love to have these memories. So it's like 11, so I'm gonna go upstairs and hang out with the baby for a little bit until I have to go to the preschool for mystery reader day, so that'll be fun. Hi, cute boy. Hi, cute boy. Hey, Liam. Hi. Hi, cute boy. Hi, cute boy. You don't want to be in there no more? You're done with your nap? Yeah. Yeah. I'm done with your nap. Hi, cute boy. He's like, get me out of here. Look at his little hand. He always gets it out of the swaddle. Hi. Wow. Adorable. Adorable. Yeah.
And we're going to the grocery store,
Yeah.
and then we're going to SALON.
Okay, come on, let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Dale para afuera. Dale, dale para afuera. Where are we going now? Where are we gonna go? Where are we going?
Starbucks.
Ooh, you're going to Starbucks. Are you so excited?
Mm-hmm.
What do you want?
I want
Cake pop?
a cake.
Okay.
A chocolate cake.
A chocolate cake pop? Okay, sounds good. Let's go. He's a strong boy. He's a strong boy. Hi, Buds. Hi, Buds. Wow. Who's a strong boy? Who's a strong boy? Liam is. Look at that cute boy. He likes looking at himself on the phone. Wow. So we're just hanging out. I was doing dishes, but he started crying. So I went and grabbed him, and now he's just hanging out. Amara's upstairs with Derek. Derek works from home now all the time, which is so nice having him home. And Amara loves spending time with him up in his new office up in the attic. I'll probably show that later because we finished the attic and we put a carpet down and it looks really nice. It's like an office slash like TV room. And we did that. We finished it, I think, end of November. The carpet went in January, but it looks really nice. And yeah, that's like Derek's hangout space. But we're just hanging out down here in the living room. Look how strong he is. He's, whoa. Yeah. Hi, buds. On Sunday, we're doing his dedication at the church we're at right now. So that'll be fun. I know all the grandparents are going to go. And Lydia's the godmommy, so she's going to be there with us up front to dedicate him to God. So that'll be fun. I'll probably have to tell Tatiana to record for me, my sister. But yeah, look how strong he is. He's a strong boy. Whoa. Oh, he's flipping. Wow, you want to show off your outfit? You want to show off your outfit? Kaya's right there. Oh, Kaya. There she is. She's hanging out with us. But I'm probably going to start dinner a little bit early today. It's like, I think it might be 2 almost. Oh. Okay, butts. Okay, butts. I'm going to start dinner probably a little early today. I usually start at like 5, 4:30 or 5. But on weekdays we get HelloFresh boxes, and we get 4 a week, but we did our last one yesterday. Today's Friday, so we did one Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or Thursday. And then so today I'm just gonna make rice and beans. I think there's some chicken in the freezer, so I'll get that out. But yeah, so I'm gonna do that early because it always takes me so much longer to do like Spanish food. I don't know why, but yeah, we're just hanging out. Okay.
Something pushing me on my foot.
Oh, it's just that. It's okay. What is it?
Something pushing me.
Oh, nothing's there, baby.
We have time too. Here is the pink. Ooh, this is yellow, pink inside.
Mm-hmm.
Face.
You full? Adan? You full? Adan? You full? Adan? You full, Adan? You full, Adan? You full, Adan? Yeah.
Okay. Whatever you say, buds.
That's burpee sesh.
You're so cute. You're such a cute buds.